All right, today we're doing a cool weather bee package installation. It's Bee Day 2018. Let's go get some bees. It's freezing cold out. We got about 3 inches of slush last night, and it's been pouring rain. Heavy wind gusts. It's not a good day for bees. But I have to go get the package today, and not going to be installing it today. Going to pick up the bees. So we got the bees yesterday in a horrible torrential downpour. We had 3 inches of snow on the ground yesterday, and it was a high in like 30s Fahrenheit. Today it's 41 degrees. We got a little breeze. The sun is going in and out of the clouds, but it is the warmest time of day. All I'm doing is getting these bees in the box, and then I'm going to wrap them up and let them be. I did close my entrance reducer all the way. So this is a two-way reducer. Instead of having it open, I'm going to leave it closed so they don't kind of in a panic fly out into the cold. I'm going to remove a few frames, put the bees in, and then I'm going to try something a little different I haven't seen before for the remainder of the bees, because they're not all going to shake in there. So let's see how this goes. So I luckily have a whole bunch of drawn comb from last year. So we have lots of drawn comb for the bees. There, you know, like we have a honey frame that I saved from the hive that died. So there's a little honey in here. I'm going to be adding fondant. It is too cold for liquid syrup today, so they're getting what's in here plus a little fondant sugar, and that's going to be it for about a week until things warm up. So the reason I'm doing this today on a 41 degree day is because tomorrow it's supposed to be about 45, which is going to be the warmest day of the week. And I want these bees to get acclimated and maybe even do some cleansing flights and stuff, and they'll be able to do that tomorrow. Today, I just want to get them in the box. Got it. Queen is in there. She's marked. Got the cork there. Welcome home, bees. Cork is out. I'm going to poke a hole in the fondant. I'm going to slide over this way. Okay, bees going in. even some drones in here. Okay, so frames in. Okay, spacer. Fondant. Putting on a Vivaldi board. Putting the rest of these bees right over the hole of the Vivaldi board here. All right, bees, go back down in there. You gotta find your way in there. Cover this whole thing up. Little insulation. Okay, now I gotta wrap them all up. All right, well, they're in there. We have the front entrance closed so they don't just all come out because it's just too cold to be out flying. I put the empty container of the package up in the top box over the Vivaldi board so they can come down if they need to. There is an entrance up here for them to get out. The queen is in her cage. The plug is out. The candy's been sort of poked a hole through there. Queen is caged down, and she's between two empty frames. And yeah, we got 3 pounds of bees in there. It's gonna warm up a little tomorrow. Hopefully they're gonna get out, do a few cleansing flights. So maybe tomorrow I'll come in and flip the reducer around so that they can get out the bottom if they want. But right now I just want I want to kind of force them up into where the queen is so they can cluster around her tonight. It is supposed to get very cold tonight, and they're gonna be fine clustered in there. But tomorrow they should be able to get out and fly and orient a little bit, explore, and meet their neighbors, the Balboas. They got me twice.
On your hat.
Is a bee on my hat?
3.
Really?
Yeah.
You joking?
No, I'm serious. There's 3 bees on your hat.
3 bees on my hat? There are 3 bees on my hat. All right, they're in. Oh, look, there's some bees over here. Thank you. All right, welcome to New England, bees. Sorry about the cold. It'll be warm soon enough.
Welcome home, bees. Nice.
So when a bee rides down on the back of your hat from the bee yard into the house, you gotta catch that bee and bring it back to her sisters. You bring the bees back home. All right, back with your sisters. Get back in that hive.